In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix League of Legends login issues. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network and give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next, check the server status of Riot Games. To do that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website status.riotgames.com. Here, click on the drop-down for League of Legends. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If there are no outages, you can follow other steps. So you can check your credentials. Ensure that the email and password are correct. Also, you can click on Forget Password and reset your password. Likewise, you can run Riot Client as an administrator, which can help resolve permission-related issues. In case you are using VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily as it may interfere with the login process. Next, you can reset your network. In the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Reset Network. Now click on the option Network Reset and click on Reset Now and continue the process. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the Riot Client and League of Legends to ensure you have a clean installation with no damaged files. After following the solution, you should be able to log into League of Legends successfully. Get back into the game. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.